Good morning, student of grade 5th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your math teacher. We are doing Cordova Mathematics. Okay, so let's start. We are doing activity 1 of chapter 5 simplification. Today we will do question number 2. Fill in the blanks using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This one is our class 1 classwork and we will solve in our book this question on page number 42. So mention today's date in your book 20 of August 2020. Question A. We have here some equations and we have here some missing symbols. Now we have to find out which symbol is missing. So let's start. A. 3 multiplied by 4 missing sign 2 equal to 10. If we solve this equation, answer will come 10. So solve this. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. Okay. Now 2. What we will do that answer will come 10. 12 we have here and we have 2. So what we will do? Addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. The answer should come 10. 12 में add कर दो 2 तो what number will come? 14 will come? No, answer is wrong. So what we will do? Divide? No. If we will divide 12 divided by 2, what number will come? 6. No, we can't do division also. Okay, multiply. Can we multiply? 12 to the 24. Yes, no, we don't got the answer. So what we will do? We will do subtraction. 12 minus 2 will become 10. So what symbol will come? Subtraction. Okay. And B. 6 divided by 3 missing symbol 6 is equal to 8. If we solve this equation, answer should come 8. Okay, so solve 6 divided by 3, what number will come? 2. Okay, 2, and what we will do with 6, that answer will come 8. Can we subtract 2 minus 6? 6 minus 2, can we subtract? No, what number will come if we will subtract? 4. And we got answer 8. So 2 plus, can we add? Okay, 2 plus 6 will become 8. So what symbol will come? Plus. Are you understanding? Yes. 21 missing symbol here. 3 plus 11, what number will come? 18. Now what we do here? Okay, 21 को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दे 3 से 21. No, if we will multiply, the number will got more. No, we can't multiply. Can we subtract 21 minus 3? 21 minus 3, what number will come? Yes, tell me what number will come. Yes, tell me. Yes, 18. 18 plus 11. No, this one is wrong. So what we will do? 21 divide by 3. Can we divide? Okay, let's see if we divide what answer will come. If we divide 3 7 ja 21. That means 7. 7 plus 11. 18. Can we divide? Answer is right. If we divide 3 7 ja 21. 7 plus 11. 18. This one is right. So what symbol we will put here? Divide. What symbol we will put here? Divide. Next, D. 63 minus 3 missing symbol here and 21 is equal to 0. What we will do? First of all what we will do? 63 minus 3. No, first of all we will solve this one. Okay, what symbol will come here? The answer will come 0. 21 and 3. What symbol should come here? 21, 3. If we divide here, no, we can't divide this one because 3 is small. So what can we do? 21 and 3. So what we can do? Multiply. We can do multiply. 21 3s are 63. So 21 3s are 63 and 63 minus 63, 0. So what symbol will come here? Multiplication. Okay, first of all we will find out the missing symbol. Okay, so next come E. 27 missing we have here 3 minus 8. Okay, what symbol we will put here? That number 1 come here as a answer. 27, can we divide here? Can we divide? Let's see what number will come if we will divide. We will start from divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Demas rule we will follow. So first of all we will see, let's see if we divide what number will come. Divide 3 9 ja 27. 3 9 ja 27. 9 number will come. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So division is right. Symbol of division we will put here. 3 9 ja 27. We got here 9. 9 minus 8, 1. F 36 minus 15 and here 2. Okay, now Demas rule we will follow. First of all we will do divide. Can we divide 2 by 15? No, because 15 number don't come in table of 2, so we can't divide. Now come on multiply. 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. 36 minus 30. What number will come? 6. Can we put here symbol of multiplication? 15 2s are 30 and 36 minus 30. What number will come? 6. Okay, so multiply. So students, this was our activity 1 on page number 42. Today you don't have any homework. Okay, you prepare your UTs. Till then students, bye bye.